behind the scene part 2 for Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, episode 94. This time, I am actually going to show you what you can do with the leftover hibiscus petal, flower petals. Yeah, the flower petals. Because on the first episode, I made mixed drinks with the sorrel juice, and then on behind the scene, I actually made homemade sorrel, so you can check those videos out. But this is behind the scene part 2. You can make some good tasting jams with the hibiscus flowers. So instead of throwing them out, you can actually use them again. Add some of this sorrel juice to get some good flavoring. Boil it down real soft and blend it. Put it back on the pot. Add some pectin. I didn't have any pectin, so I just added some sugar. So I had to add a lot of sugar because you know you need a lot of sugar to make some jams. So yeah, and you wait until it gets real gooey. You cook it, and then you let it cool, and then it'll get jam-like. Well, this one's gonna be like more like jelly because you know I didn't put pectin to make it real, you know, jam-like. So, but it still tastes really good. I don't know. Let me see. I'll show you. I'm gonna put it on the stove so you can actually see it. Yes, Plush2x's doing her thing in the kitchen. You can see it's still kind of warm, but you can see that it's going to be a little thicker when it gets cool. Actually, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it can actually... I didn't want to throw it in the refrigerator right away. You shouldn't throw stuff in the refrigerator right away. It's really hot. It's not good to do. But yeah, you can see it's kind of thick, and this is without pectin, so imagine having some pectin in there. And you can see the blended up flowers. You ain't got to blend it up real fine. I like the texture of it anyways. So yeah, this is my first time doing this, by the way, so anybody can do this, you know. If I can do it, anyone can. Not that saying that, you know, I can't do too much. I am kind of a chef, you know. I've been doing this for like 5 years now, so yeah. Not being a chef, but my show. I started, I was a vegan in June 5th, 2015, and I believe I started the show like probably a month later after that or so. But yeah, alright, have a good night. I used to say good day, but it's nighttime. So, bye. Mwah.